How to change location on BingX. Are you trading on BingX and want to change or update your location settings? Then you are in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are gonna learn how to change your location on BingX safely and correctly. So without waiting much, let's get started. First things first, open the BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged into BingX, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. In the expanded menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on your email at the top of the screen. This will open up Personal Info section. From the Personal Info page, click on Location. Now, you'll be able to select different location options from the menu. Choose to the location you want to change to, and you have successfully changed your location. Now you can head back to the home page, and that's it. Remember that you'll need to go ahead and fill up your KYC before trading, so your location will play an important role in it. You must submit a valid documents that match your new country or region. Fill in the correct country address and details. So make sure that you have the correct location on BingX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.